The clutch cycle begins with the engagement of the pawl, which happens at the beginning of the stance phase. A tensioning spring takes up any slack in the cable, and the pawl and ratchet resist any force applied to the end of the cable. At the end of stance, the pawl is disengaged, and the cable can move freely through the same region. The whole cycle begins again with the next step. Pins attached to the pulley engage and disengage the ratchet depending on ankle angle. Fine teeth on the hardened ratchet surface provide good resolution.